Today you're gonna find out some tips and tricks how to find and hire awesome talent for your small business.
And happy to share our insider views about hiring people and the process of getting new personnel on board.
And that will tell you if it's a good fit or not.
Nothing worked better than software which is 21st century. And we've tried it all. Don't be afraid to use new tools. And one day you will get a success.
Welcome to the show for business owners, proudly brought to you by easyfreight.co.nz.
Hi, today you're gonna find out some tips and tricks how to find and hire awesome talent for your small business. My name is Max and this is Alex. We are from an Auckland-based company called Easy Freight.
We have 25 years of experience in helping people to export or import goods in and out of New Zealand, and happy to share our insider views about hiring people and the process of getting new personnel on board. We are a team of 9 people. Some of us work here in Auckland, some of us help us to grow overseas.
To find motivated staff during the hiring process, we ask some behavioral questions and then we look for their reactions. Also, we find out how they behaved in the past in different situations, because it's very important to figure out if the person can handle sometimes challenging tasks, and that will tell you if it's a good fit or not.
It also will help a candidate if he goes on the website and research a thing or two about our company.
In our case, some of our staff was hired through word of mouth, because it's important to get recommendations from people you trust. At the same time, we are excited that there is a New Zealand-based modern software like TalentHub, because I love cutting-edge technology. I love stuff and systems that simplifies and saves my time.
And we've tried it all. We have hired a professional to help us hire people, and they sit with us through every single interview. Then we've tried ourselves and went through every single CV. But as Max said, nothing worked better than software which is 21st century, pretty much. We also pay attention to the candidates' willingness to be open-minded, to try new tasks within our company, because we're still quite small, and chances are the person will be trying a lot of different things. So ideally, we would like to see that the person is willing to do that.
We meet every week with our team members and we discuss what has changed, what's upcoming in the company. They can see that the company is growing, that we've got new team members coming and joining Easy Freight. So that gives them a signal that their work is affecting the whole company and they feel valued.
We also have a good package to offer. Most of our team members enjoy occasional work from home, flexible hours, and they know that they always can talk to us about anything, and we'll do anything in our power to help them.
At the same time, we ask them what's working and what doesn't, because I can see in many companies they just give instructions or give orders and there is no feedback from your team members. And being a small business, we have this unique opportunity to talk to every single person. We ask them what was frustrating about their day, and we make sure it doesn't happen again, so that once again they feel this connection with everyone. First of all, you have to figure out what are your personal advantages and disadvantages, and then look for a partner that can complement you. Otherwise, what's the point? You have to find a business partner that can make your company stronger together. And be ready to have robust discussions, because obviously all people have different opinions and you are bound to have different solutions to problems.
Just stay open, listen to what the other people are saying and listen them to the very end, and do not forget to challenge them and just keep the whole discussion positive.
It's important for your company to create transparent incentives so everyone can see how they are doing and they can be rewarded for their hard work.
And I also like when we have robust discussions about ways to improve our company, and every person, every team member can come to us with their solution to a possible problem, and we will listen to them and we'll discuss it. And if it's a good idea, that will definitely implement it.
I would collect feedbacks from your customers and then circulate within the company, because People want to know how they're doing, and they will feel valued if they can see that their work matters.
Set aside some time in the day to talk to your employees, to talk to your team members, and to listen to their needs and worries.
Last but not least is that you have to set in your calendar weekly or monthly regular meetings with your team and talk about something personal everyone is happy to share about. For example, what did you do over the weekend, or what's your hobby? Because if you want to create a real connection within the company and create some professional friendship, you have to discuss something more than work. Thank you for listening to our business tips, and a special thanks to TalentHub for this interview. I recommend you to try their service, it's free.
Don't be afraid to use new tools, and one day you will get a success.
Oh, and one more thing. I think it's going to be useful for a business owner to create a group of like-minded people on different social networks, for example, LinkedIn, Facebook, or MeetUp, because you're going to be surprised how many skilled people can join your community, and you will discuss different challenges and find solutions you never thought of. So stay tuned, and you'll hear more interviews from different business owners.